What's up? What's up? It's Uncle Dave. Hey, I'm doing this just because I was buying cold coffee brew for a really long time at a really nice high price and decided I'd figure out to do something different. So I'm going to show you something real quick if you want to try doing cold brewed coffee at home. Jeez. Then maybe give this a try and I think you're going to like it. Okay, so check this out. I got this thing, I think it was Amazon. It's made for cold brew. They can't get much simpler than this. I got 1 cup of coarse ground coffee. It's important that you do it coarse ground. Throw it in there, right? Use my other hand here. All right, finally got that damn thing turned on. This is 1 liter of water. You can do 4 cups, you do you. It's not rocket science, it's just really good coffee. 1 cup of coarse ground coffee of your choosing. Add in this bottle of water. Can't get much more setting for you than this. And of course, I recommend do it either when you get home from work for the next morning or before you go to bed at night. So when you get home from work, you got it. But I mean, this is 4 coffee cups of cold brew. And it really don't get much cheaper than that, folks. That's it. I'm gonna put the lid on it and she's gonna sit. Now, I typically go 15 to 18 hours. I've seen it recommended going up to even 24. Just remember that the longer it goes, the stronger it's going to be. So I've seen a lot of people say the minimum of 12 hours. So, I wouldn't make it hard. Do it when you go to bed at night and try it the next day. Or do it when you first get up in the morning and have it for the night, however you want to do it. So fast forwarding to the next day, we got this coffee been sitting here for, I don't know, 15, 18 hours. That's what I was shooting for. And look how cool this is. I don't know if you can see, it's got a dealio here that when you set it on this, I guess you could say it takes a dump of coffee into your pitcher there. And then you can even go an extra step. I got the French press top. Press it down just to cover, and see if you get a little spark, just pour it out. And let me tell you, that is some good coffee. And if you want it really cold, obviously just throw it in the fridge. You could have brewed it in the fridge if you wanted. It just takes a little longer to brew. This is ready to go in the fridge, and I think they say you can keep it for like up to a week or 2, something like that. It don't last but about a day in Uncle Dave's house. So there you go. I'm about to pour me up some. Bye.